How to redeem free Fortnite coupon code on the website here on your device. For this, I'm going to show you some of the genuine steps from the official website that how you can simply redeem it and do it. Main thing is, as you can see, there are no current promo codes or any type of redeem code available for the Fortnite game. But the main thing what you can do is, here is the code and the list below. You can copy it and then you have to paste it to get benefits of this code. Select any one of the code from this menu and then let's focus on the step how to redeem codes in your Fortnite. To redeem codes, visit Fortnite official website, log into your Epic Game account and hover over your username at the top of the right screen. Click on the redeem code option from the list and enter a working code into the box. Now the last step is click on the redeem button to claim this code. Once you finish these steps, the reward will be instantly sent to your in-game account if you don't see them. We're convincing you to relaunch the game. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.